I believe that people should drive less. Now, this is a personal topic to me because I walk everywhere whenever I can. And I'm going to go over the problems with driving, what it causes, why, and what I think we can do to fix that. The CDC states that 37.9% of Americans are obese, and including obesity, 70.7% are overweight and obese, which being obese or overweight makes people more prone to disease. The earth is being polluted by cars and industry and things of that sort ever since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, and especially with cars since the 1950s, at least in America. And cars consume many non-renewable resources to use and to make. There are approximately 1.2 billion cars in the world, and that number is only growing. About 16% of the world's population drives, which is huge. AAA posted that that to drive a car, it costs $8,698 per year. In a report done by Statistia, it states that there are around 214 million drivers in the United States. Those two numbers alone say that we spend around $2 trillion every year on driving. According to Sheldon H. Jacobson, a professor at the University of Illinois, he said that what we did before was based on physics. You add more weight to a vehicle, it consumes more gasoline. We burn more gasoline on an aggregate level. This then raises the question, is the reverse true? If we drive more, are we going to become heavier as a nation? Jacobson then found a correlation in the 99th percentile. He also said that for the last 60 plus years, we've literally built our society around the automobile and getting from point A to point B as quickly as we can because we choose to drive rather than walk or cycle. The result is an inactive, sedentary life cycle. Not coincidentally, obesity also became a public health issue around this period. In 2014, the EPA reported that cars, through 1 year of average use, produce around 4.7 metric tons of CO2 from exhaust. At 214 million drivers, that's over 1 billion metric tons from America alone. In the United States, according to 2014 statistics, the 214 million drivers drove over 2.4 trillion miles. In 2014, the average fuel economy was 21.6 miles per gallon. That being said, America used nearly 113 billion gallons of fuel. Now, what do we do now? We walk